Continuing with the P block elements, we have just finished nitrogen family. Now we come to oxygen family. It is second family, oxygen family. Group number is 16. Members are, you can memorize them, उससे टेपो, उससे टेपो. 8 number इसका है, it is 16. Then we have 34, then 52, then 84. Configuration, electronic configuration if we see, it is helium 2s2 2p4, neon 3s2 3p4, argon 3d10 4s2 4p4, krypton 4d10 5s2 5p4. Then we have xenon 54 wali noble gas 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p4. General electronic configuration of all these elements is ns2np4. They have deficiency of 2 electrons in the valence shell. That's why the upper member oxygen and sulfur, they show -2 state since they are non-metallic in nature. While other elements, they tend to share electron and they show positive oxidation state due to their less electronegative character and more they are having electropositive character. Then we have question number 2. This was question number 1, electronic configuration of these elements. Question number 2 is why 16th group members are called as chalcogens. It is due to their ore forming capacity. Most of these elements, they are found in the combined state with metal in the form of ores. That's why ore forming capacity of these elements fetches name chalcogens. 15th group are known as nicogens, suffocating order of the compounds. They are chalcogens. Then we have question number 3, comment upon physical state of these elements, 16th group elements. So coming to physical state, very important question here, why O2 is gas but S8 is solid. This question is very much similar to the question why N2 is gas in the nitrogen family and phosphorus is solid. The reason for that is due to small size of oxygen, it is capable of forming diatomic stable molecules, O2 molecules, and they have weak van der Waals forces among their molecules. Due to weak van der Waals forces, O2 exists as a gas, but S sulfur cannot form multiple bonds, so it does not form S2 molecules, but it forms puckered ring structure. Oxygen is molecule is like this, sulfur molecule is like this. S8 units, 8 sulfur units, they combine together, and each sulfur is having 2 lone pair, 2 single bonds are formed. To minimize the repulsion, it occupies puckered ring structure. Puckered means थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेन्स पड़े हुए हैं रिंग में, और पक्कड़ रिंग स्ट्रक्चर उसको कहते हैं, झुलसा हुआ, जैसे आप हिंदी में यू कैन कॉल इट एज. सो इट हैज पक्कड़ रिंग स्ट्रक्चर. Oxygen is the most abundant. You can be asked the question which is the most abundant element of this family. That is oxygen. It is 46.6% by mass in the earth, and it exists in the atmosphere 23.6% by volume. sulfur is the less abundant element of this family. It is 0.03% by mass in the earth crust. It may vary up to 0.03%, and it is found in the earth crust in the form of sulfides, in the form of sulfates, as sulfides, etc. Polonium is very less. It is radioactive metal. Its percentage 0.001 ppm. It exists in the earth layer. Then we have the trends in the physical properties. Up to now we have discussed 4 questions of oxygen family. Now we come to the physical trends in the oxygen family members, and related questions they are to be discussed side by side. First of all, we will discuss physical state, which have already been discussed. So now we have trends in the physical property. First of all, we come to physical state. We have already discussed it. Oxygen is a diatomic gas, while other elements, sulfur exists as octaatomic puckered ring structure. Selenium also form octaatomic rings. Tellurium and polonium, they don't form octaatomic rings. They have the strong metallic bonding. So other members, they are solid except oxygen, which is gaseous at room temperature. Then we have atomic and ionic radii. This is general trend. When we move top to bottom in the family, ऑक्सीजन से जब पोलोनियम तक हम आते हैं, the number of cells they continuously increase. In oxygen we are having 2 cells, in sulfur we have 3 cells, in selenium 4 cells, tellurium 5, polonium 6. So number of cells they are increasing, size is also increasing like this. So atomic and ionic radii that go on increasing from top to bottom. Then we have electron gain enthalpy and ionization energy. First of all, we take ionization enthalpy. So ionization and enthalpy of 16th group element, it is less than those of 15th group element, because 15th group elements we know they have half filled p subcell. It is difficult to destroy such configuration. We need extra energy to destroy that configuration. That's why the ionization energy of members of nitrogen family, that is high as compared to oxygen family. Oxygen family members, they possess 4 valence electrons, and by losing 1 electron they can acquire stable p subcell, that is half filled p subcell. So they will lose electron easily. So first ionization energy of the members of oxygen family will be less than that of nitrogen family members. Then we have electronegativity. Fluorine is the most electronegative member of whole periodic table. After fluorine, there is a term of oxygen. Oxygen की term आती है, which is second most electronegative element of the periodic table.